I just wanted to post an extra little clip today, really because of the date it is, which is September the 11th, and just thinking about what happened with the Twin Towers in America, in New York, on this day 10 years ago. They say with all these events you can remember what you were doing on that day, and I remember I was working in a field just near to my house, and I heard it on the radio. I heard when the first of the Twin Towers was hit, and it's one of those things where I just felt I needed to go home and be with my family and sit and digest what had happened by watching the news or listening to the radio. But also my aunt lives in Manhattan, in 148th Street, and I was obviously thinking of her and hoping that she was safe. But we have a long history of standing shoulder to shoulder with the Americans, and certainly part of our farm is on an old disused airfield, which was an American bomber base during the war, which was operational for the last year and a quarter of the war, having B-24s, Liberators, and flying fortresses there. And so I just wanted to say that I'm thinking of you, and hopefully what has happened over the last 10 years will go some way in preventing that kind of thing ever happening again.